Okay, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to show you how to navigate around your page. This is really useful if you want to do something that's really sort of specific in terms of a detail you want to focus on. So, if you want to zoom in and out, the easiest thing to do is hold Alt and use a scroller on your mouse. Now my mouse is broken, so it's not working when I do that. So what you can also do as well is press Control and plus on your keyboard and it will zoom in for you. There we go. Now obviously at the moment that's not where I want to be, so I can also use this tool here, the hand tool, to move around my canvas like that, so I can move into some really specific parts of the magazine. If I want to edit this bit here, it's difficult to do if I'm zoomed out. But if I zoom in, use the hand tool, I can see a bit more clearly what it is that I'm doing. It will be a bit more pixelated, but that's fine, that's just because you're zoomed in a little bit. Okay? So that is how you navigate on your canvas. Because you'll see at the bottom, there is no left or right or up or down scroller bars for you to use. So Control and plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out, and then use the hand tool to move around your canvas like that.